Hey there, students! Welcome to a journey where we explore the importance of earning money while you're still in school. Juggling classes, homework, and maybe even extracurriculars is tough. We know it can feel like there's never enough time in the day. But what if you could earn some extra cash while you're at it? Imagine the possibilities that open up when you have a bit of financial freedom. Earning money as a student isn't just about having some spending money. It's about gaining a sense of independence and control over your life. It's about gaining valuable experience, learning to manage your finances, and setting yourself up for success after graduation. These skills are crucial and will serve you well in the future. Imagine paying for your own textbooks, or that awesome spring break trip with your own hard-earned money. The sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. Earning while you learn empowers you to be more independent and responsible. It teaches you to balance work and study, a skill that will be invaluable in your professional life. Plus, it looks great on a resume. Future employers love to see initiative. They appreciate candidates who have demonstrated the ability to manage multiple responsibilities. So if you're ready to ditch the ramen noodle diet and boost your bank account, let's dive into some proven ways to earn money as a student. From part-time jobs to freelancing, internships to online gigs, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. Stay tuned as we explore each of these options in detail and help you find the best fit for your schedule and skills. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Freelancing is like having your own mini business while you're still in school. It allows you to take control of your time and your talents, giving you the freedom to work on projects that truly excite you. You offer your skills to clients on a project basis, which means you can work on a variety of tasks and gain diverse experiences. This not only builds your portfolio, but also enhances your skill set. The best part? You're the boss. You have the autonomy to decide which projects to take on and which to pass up. This level of control is empowering and can lead to a more fulfilling work experience. You choose the projects you want to work on and set your own hours. This flexibility is perfect for balancing schoolwork, extracurricular activities, and personal time. You can work early in the morning, late at night, or whenever inspiration strikes. Are you a writing whiz? Offer your services as a freelance writer or editor. You can write articles, blog posts, or even help with academic papers. The possibilities are endless. Good with numbers? Become a freelance bookkeeper or virtual assistant. You can help businesses manage their finances, keep track of expenses, and ensure everything is running smoothly. Tech savvy, web design, social media management, and graphic design are all in high demand. You can create stunning websites, manage social media accounts, or design eye-catching graphics for various clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with potential clients. These platforms make it easy to find work and get paid for your skills. Start by creating a profile, highlighting your skills, and browsing for projects that pique your interest. Make sure to showcase your best work and write a compelling bio to attract clients. Remember, good communication and delivering high-quality work are key to building a successful freelance career. Always keep your clients informed, meet deadlines, and strive to exceed their expectations. This will help you build a strong reputation and secure more projects in the future. Part-time jobs are a classic way for students to earn money and gain practical experience. These jobs not only help you financially, but also provide a platform to develop essential life skills. Think about what interests you or aligns with your career goals. Whether it's a passion for fashion, a knack for numbers, or a love for helping others, there's likely a part-time job that fits. Retail jobs offer customer service experience, which is invaluable in almost any career. You'll learn how to interact with a diverse range of people, handle transactions, and manage inventory. Working in a restaurant can teach you valuable teamwork and time management skills. From taking orders to working in the kitchen, Every role requires coordination and efficiency. Don't underestimate the power of campus jobs. These positions are conveniently located and often tailored to fit your academic schedule. Colleges often hire students for administrative tasks, library assistants, or even research positions. These roles can provide a deeper connection to your academic environment and enhance your resume. These jobs often offer flexible hours and a chance to connect with faculty and staff. Building these relationships can be beneficial for future recommendations and networking opportunities. When applying for part-time jobs, emphasize your willingness to learn and your commitment to providing excellent service. Highlight any previous experience, but also your eagerness to take on new challenges. A positive attitude and strong work ethic can go a long way. Employers value employees who are enthusiastic, reliable, and dedicated. These qualities can set you apart and open doors to future opportunities. Are you a math whiz? A grammar guru? Sharing your knowledge through tutoring can be a rewarding and lucrative side hustle. Tutoring isn't just about helping others. It's also a fantastic way to solidify your own understanding of a subject. You can tutor students one-on-one or even start small group sessions. Advertise your services on campus bulletin boards, online tutoring platforms, or even through social media. Word-of-mouth referrals from satisfied students can be incredibly valuable. Set your rates competitively and be patient as you build your client base. Remember, the more you help your students succeed, the more successful you'll be as a tutor.